This is the 45 kg IHP cylinder. Now what we have done is, these were the digital outputs. This digital output can be used to check the internal pressure of the cylinder. This output is used to check the pressure of the tube, and this indication will be further given to this panel, and this panel will indicate in the driver's cabin. Apart from these two ports, this is the outlet discharge hose connected to the main line, and then further going up, in addition to it, we have this last line. This is for the polymer tube. This is for the detection purpose, and the extinction will be from this port. Now this is the tube going on the left wall. This is the tube going on the right wall. This is the output line for the nozzles. The second line is tube going on the ceiling. That is the line for the detector. So what we have done is, we have tried to create a zigzag pattern both on the walls and for the ceiling as well. So here comes our first nozzle. This is the first detector. This is the first nozzle. Going ahead, this is the second detector, and this is the second nozzle. You can check the pattern on the wall. It's a zigzag pattern, and zigzag is followed for ceiling as well. This is the third detector, and this is the final nozzle, the third nozzle. And this is our final detector. Now this zigzag pattern terminates at this point. This zigzag pattern terminates at this point, and the overhead zigzag pattern terminates at this point. So you can see we are on the brim of container, and our is almost being protected. Our wall